If you owe back taxes to the IRS or the state, listen up, because in this video you're going to discover how you could finally resolve your business or your personal taxes so you can move forward and concentrate on your business, your career, and your life free of fear. My name is Mike Aversano, and I'm a CPA, and I have been negotiating with the IRS and state taxing authorities on behalf of my clients for almost 3 decades. And in that time, I have negotiated over 1,000 cases between the IRS and multiple taxing authorities across the country in various states, saving my clients hundreds of thousands of dollars. In essence, I provide a second chance to help my clients get a fresh start. A new beginning without that dark cloud of IRS or state tax debt hovering around their entire life. And right now, I want to reveal to you the secrets that I've learned over 27 years to turn that IRS bully into a furry little puppy in the palm of your hand. Alright guys, I've jumped over to my computer because I want to share with you some secrets that you will take away that'll enable you to be able to resolve your basic tax collection case with the IRS or the state on your own. Okay, so how do you do that? How do you know if it's a basic case, and then how do you do it? So let me walk you through it. So, is your tax case a basic collection case in the eyes of the IRS or your state? How do you know that? Okay, 1, is your combined tax debt, adding all the tax years that you owe, under $25,000? Okay, if it's under $25,000, it's deemed what's called a streamlined tax collection case and enables you to be able to resolve it with relative ease once you understand a few basic concepts. Okay. 2, to determine if your case is basic. Are all your tax returns filed? Now, we know you haven't paid all the taxes, but as long as you have filed those returns and you're in compliance with the filings, then your tax case is considered basic. You're in compliance and you can move forward towards resolution. If you haven't filed taxes in addition to not paying, then you have to go through the whole compliance phase first, so you're not in that basic category as we characterize it. So filing of returns, have you done that? And lastly, is your tax debt personal income tax? If your personal income taxes, it's a basic tax that can be resolved relatively easily. If you have business taxes from a business that is current or now defunct, or an older business with sales or payroll tax, those are fiduciary or what's called custodial taxes, not a basic case and not something that you can just move forward with immediately resolving. So, in summary, if you answered yes to all those 3 questions, the combined debt is under $25,000, you are in compliance with all the filings and all the taxes, personal income tax, then your tax case is considered basic and you easily can move forward and resolve the case on your own. Good. So you have a basic case, you can resolve it on your own. How do you do that? Okay? The way you do it is you have to learn the collection process. This is not taking, a part-time course or whatnot, but it is learning their process, basic collection processes, procedures, and documents that they're going to require when you call them to start the process. So I'm going to put some links below the video for the IRS and the major states that we do business in that you're probably watching this video from, so you can learn the basic collection process and procedures for the IRS and the state and what they're going to ask you for when you call. And the next thing is, when you do call, develop a rapport with the agent. And that's going to be easy for you to do because you've already done the work in step 1 to learn what they're going to ask for, what their process and procedure is. So it's easy to develop that rapport with the agent. We have great rapports with them because we know their whole process. We already have the documents that they're already going to ask for and the information before they ask for it. So it's easy to have a good rapport when you know the process. And lastly, just be willing to do the work. It may be a few days, a few weeks of back and forth with faxing and getting backup documentation that they're asking for. But if you're willing to do that work and you have a basic collection case, you could definitely resolve this on your own. Okay? Now, If you have no desire to do that, or your case is not basic, clearly we would love to help you resolve your case. That's what we do. That's why you're watching the video and whatnot. So we're going to walk you through the process next of how we can work together on resolving your tax case, be it basic or complex. And we're going to jump back into the video to show you that. Thanks. Now, my team and I, we have seen it all. From small individual penalty abatement cases of $5,000, $10,000 to hundreds of thousands and $1 million state, payroll, and federal tax cases. So, like anything in life, if you do it hundreds and hundreds of times, you get pretty good. And we're pretty damn good at what we do. We've not only developed our great experiences and knowledge in dealing with thousands of cases through the years, but we've also developed great internal systems using state-of-the-art technology and systems so to take care of our clients in the best way possible. So when you become a client of Aversano Tax Resolution, you are going to know that you're well communicated with and you're well taken care of to get your tax case resolved in the most efficient and the best legal manner for your situation. So if you want to handle a case on your own and try to resolve it, without hiring a professional like our firm, that is fine. I've given you a lot of information here. I've given you some tools and resources below. The IRS and the various state websites have a lot of resources that enable you to be able to do that. You just got to be willing to put the time and the effort in that process to do that. But if you would rather have a partner in this battle, a proven team of experts like I've shown you that we have at Aversano Tax Resolution to fight this battle with you, to resolve your tax case, to put this behind you, then I need you to click the link below the video and to schedule a free consultation with us to go over your case in detail. So click the link below the video and schedule a time that works for you so we can go over your tax case and you can take the first step in ending this tax nightmare that has consumed you for too long. So in closing, I think you know what you need to do. You need to click the link below the video. You need to schedule your free consultation. There's no obligation. There's nothing to lose on the call but gaining knowledge and determining if you think we are a good fit to work with each other. And lastly, I'm going to end on a personal note. I know down deep that we can help you, okay? I know what we've done here to help thousands of clients resolve their matters. I've been on the phone with them. I've been in person. I've seen the emotion and the toll the tax debt takes on you. And I've seen when we resolve it for people, how relieved they are, how the burden has just been lifted off their shoulders, and how thankful they were to work with us so we can help them get to that point. You didn't get into this mess overnight. We're not going to get out of it overnight. But together, we can work on resolving your tax case. So click the link, schedule the call, work with us. It'll be the best decision that you've ever made for your life, your family, your career. Trust me, I know. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.